Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monalisha and in today's video I will be sharing 10 different ways to style kurtas with jeans. Festive season is just around the corner and kurta se better I don't think anything that we can style right now. It's so easy. Everybody has something or the other. So I am going to share 10 different ways to style kurtas with 4 pair of jeans. Now I have used 2 blue pair of jeans. One is a skinny one and the second one is a slim fit straight leg jeans, and the third one is a white high waisted tapered jeans that you have already seen in my dhoti style video, and the last one is a black pair of pants. So let's get into the video. I wanted to start with the basic pair of kurta that I have, that is a white pair of A-line kurta. So I have styled this white kurta with a blue jeans. Now this blue jeans has a little bit of frayed from the bottom. थोड़ा सा चिकनकारी का work है, so it gives like a little bit of dressy vibe. I won't say कि बहुत ही casual है, but yes, dressy vibe दे रहा है. Now I wanted to keep it like this, but then I thought, why to do a simple style when I can actually style it with another piece of clothing. Now I have layered the outfit with this black and white cape, and oh my god, I am so in love with this cape. It is definitely fall appropriate. Now I have paired my whole look with these black heels to give it a more dressy vibe. So I have opted for some gold hardware accessories. I really like this different sort of neck chain. I just wanted to show you guys how this outfit looks without the cape as well. You can do it just as it is. It is so easy and I absolutely love this first outfit. Okay, so now the second one is definitely not a surprise. I love white so much. So I've styled a white chikankari kurta. I love chikankari. Who does not? I think every Indian girl loves chikankari because it is so graceful, so beautiful, and literally screams luxury. Now chikankari kurta does not come with a slip and they are actually see-through. So what I did is I have opted for a white pair of jeans and a white vest, which will actually help me conceal my skin when I wear the kurta. So otherwise what you can do is, if you're not comfortable wearing a vest, you can definitely get a slip stitched or something like that, but this actually works guys. ये वाला slip मैंने H&M से लिया था. I think 3 साल हो गए मैं इसको रगड़ रही हूँ like anything. I wear this slip so much. It's like a complete I think wardrobe staple for me. I wear it with everything. Now I am styling this kurta with this beautiful bohemian jewelry. I love jewelry. I think you guys know that. And मैंने एक bangle भी pair किया है. I have actually kept the watch same because honestly दिखेगा भी नहीं. And I have gone for this very beautiful ring. This ring is so pretty. अगर आपने मेरा last video नहीं देखा जो मैंने homegrown brands पे किया था, please check करो. सारे details वहाँ पे भी हैं. And then I have opted for these very pretty mirror worked grey juttis. I have kept my hair in a ponytail because that will actually make the kurta the hero of the outfit. That's what I wanted, and yeah, I absolutely love how this one turned out. Honestly, this is such a beautiful kurta. I just cannot get enough and I just can't wait to wear it outside. Let's just hope कि ये जो रोना ये जल्दी से चले जाए and we get back to the normal life. Now for the third outfit, I have opted for this very pretty anarkali sort of kurta. Again, this is a festive kurta. It has a gota patti detailing on the front and इसमें थोड़े से frills है. You can actually wear it as a dress if you want. But this actually came with a sharara pant. I really like it. इसमें बहुत सुंदर से frill है. and I have paired this beautiful kurta with the same pair of blue jeans that I have used in the first one. Again, you can see this is so easy, right? Now I have opted for the same juttis that I used in the previous one because mix and match करके ही outfit बहुत beautiful बनता है. So now you know you need like really less pieces to build like your closet. So be very mindful when you invest in pieces. Don't just go and buy random stuff like I used to do. Now I wanted to keep the outfit extremely festive, so I have opted for these very beautiful chandbali. These are golden, has like a really good tone to it, and it matches with the gotapatti detailing on the kurta. I really like how this one turned out. It's so cute and so festive. I think everyone can do it. Okay, for the next outfit, I wanted to include a cape in this video, which actually looks like you're wearing a kurta. I don't know about you, but honestly, I love wearing capes so much. Beautiful silhouettes that look so good on all body types, and I love wearing capes. And so for this one, I have actually used the base as all black. I have gone for black pants with a black kami, and the v-neck looks so good. If you're not comfortable wearing a v-neck, you can definitely alter with whatever you like. And I have gone for this very pretty printed yellow cape. Now I love this cape because it is cotton, it is so breathable and so beautiful. The silhouette looks so good on my body. Now I have added some silver accessories. This actually goes up a little bit, but I have kept it till my neckline because that gives a really nice look to it. So whenever you have something like this, play with it, play with your accessories, then only you would actually understand what looks best on you. Some mirror work bangles on my hand as well, because I have to overload myself in jewelry. That's like the thing about me. I really love wearing jewelries, and I've gone for this purple juttis with the whole outfit. Purple again looks really good with yellow. If you are looking at some color combination that goes really well with yellow, try white, try black, try purple, and thank me later. So yeah, that's the final look. I really love how this one turned out, and let me know what you guys think about this look. I think this is one of my favorite looks in this video. So yeah. Now for the next one, I have kept this really simple kurta that's in yellow color. Again, I'm obsessed with yellow. I believe in Indian wear. I'm just not in Indian wear. I think I am obsessed with just yellows a lot. Now this kurta has a little bit of gotapatti detailing at the border, and that makes it extremely festive. So I have gone for a black pair of pants with the kurta here, and I have folded the pants from the ankle, and you will know why I did that. I could have gone for some juttis or maybe like kolhapuris with this outfit, but I have not done that, and I wanted to keep it extremely wearable for the girls who are just starting kurta styles. So I've gone for my white sneakers, and now for a little bit of festive touch, I have gone for some silver jewelry with it. This silver jewelry is so beautiful, and honestly this is one of my favorite things to wear. This is a temple necklace, and it is in 925 sterling silver. So I think that looks so good. It complements the gotapatti detailing in the kurta, and oh my god, it looks so beautiful. And I'm completing the whole outfit with the similar tone watch. You can actually skip it if you do not have a silver watch, but honestly silver, golden and rose gold watch is something that you should have in your accessory closet. Now, next one, moving on to the outfit that I'm wearing in this video. Oh my god, I love this dress. I do not feel comfortable if I'm wearing a kurta which is like really long and I'm not wearing pants inside. So I thought I should keep this in video because honestly we all do that. Like, we wear our long dresses as kurtas. So I have used this very beautiful cotton kurta. Now you can call it a kurta or dress, whatever you may wanna call it, but let's just call it kurta for the sake of this video. Yeah, so I am wearing this kurta with black pants because it's very obvious. You can actually wear whatever pant or jeans you want with this outfit because it's like floor length. So yeah, and now as you can see, the kurta is actually a little big on my body, so I have gone for my favorite heels with the outfit. Now I'm adding the same choker that I'm wearing right here. This one is one of my favorite chokers. I will give all the description of all the outfits and jewelry in the description for you guys to check it out. And if you guys want to see the pictures of these outfits, definitely make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will keep a link for that as well in my description. Now the dress has like a little bit of ghera, so it goes a little bit of here and there, so that's the reason I have kept my hair in a tied pony. And yeah, I think this looks so beautiful. You can also try that with your long dresses or long kurtas too. Now for the next one, I wanted to include something for the girls who go to office, or especially who have to attend festivals, or like who has this dress code sort of thing that happens in office and still do not want to like go overboard with the style. So I have used this very pretty pastel pink kurta. That's a chanderi material, and honestly I just love this kurta so much. So I have gone for black pants with it, and now I have worn a black pair of shoes. Now this is the same shoe that I've used before. Now for the accessories, I have kept the silver watch because that was going with the whole outfit. Now the fun part here is, I know office parties does have a dress code and you don't want to like go overboard with your outfit, so I have kept this very beautiful yet a little subtle, I would say. I don't know if it is subtle for you, but definitely it is for me. So I have kept a silver jewelry on my neck, and that's it. I think this looks so good, especially for office parties. And oh my god, I just cannot believe that I did it, because I was really not thinking about it, but when I saw it on my camera, and I was like, and I thought of the perfect place to wear this outfit. That is definitely at your office, right? Now next, I wanted to create something that you can actually wear for puja, or even like a friendly get together for a festival, or I don't know, just for fun, I would say. So I have been loving this color so much, and I have gone for this very beautiful purple kurta. Now this has this I don't know what you call this. This has this very beautiful क्या बोलते हैं इसको, तार, इसमें कुछ ये गोल्डन कलर का कुछ लगा हुआ है इस पे, तो it reflects the light and looks so good. So I have kept the purple color with my white pair of jeans. Now this has a collar that's so good, that looks so smart. And the fun part here is, again, I have kept the jewelry extremely minimal for this outfit. I have gone for these thread and needle earrings, that's what we call it, right? And ये actually में South Indian jewelry है. I have gone for some purple juttis with the whole look because that matches the whole vibe of the outfit and pulls the outfit together. And I think this is a very beautiful outfit to wear it wherever you want. Like, just name any festival and I think you can pull this one off. Now for the second last one in this outfit, I hope you guys know that I love pink. If you have been on this channel, you know I love pinks and whites a lot. So yeah, and so for this outfit I have gone for this very beautiful pink kurta. Now this has a pocket. This gives like a very nice satisfaction whenever I wear it, because I can just put stuff in that pocket and do not worry about anything. Now I have gone for a straight leg jeans and I have opted for silver earrings. Now this one is a glass work silver jewelry with this really cute jutti. Now I want to keep this outfit just like this, but then I thought I should show you guys how you can actually incorporate a vest into your look. I have gone for this zigzag pattern vest with the outfit, and I think this outfit looks really good, and completed the whole outfit with some bangles as well. I do not forget to wear bangles at all. I don't know, I have a thing for bangles too. Of course, why not? I am obsessed with jewelry, so that's obvious. And the last one in this video is my favorite kurta. This kurta is something that I have been wearing a lot. Now this kurta has a little bit of foil printing as well. I'm not really a huge fan of foil printing, so I was actually contemplating between these two earrings, and then I've gone for the blackish toned earring, and I actually gone for the same jeans that I was wearing before. For this look, I actually wanted to go with sneakers for shoes, but I've already done that before, so I thought let's just use my kolhapuris, because I wanted to show you guys how you can incorporate kolhapuris as well with jeans. So yeah, that's the final look, final and the last look in this video. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching these kurta styles with all my favorite jeans. I really hope that you get inspired to wear your kurtas now, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all my social media handles. I will post all the pictures wearing all these outfits on my Instagram, so make sure you go and follow me on Instagram too, and I will see you next time. Bye!